what?
They put in jaula. The word for the birds go inside.
Cage. Yeah. This is like the part
Animals inside.
of the parrot. Isn't that the cage up there?
No.
I don't know.
Used to be here.
Inside would be a lot of parrots in a cage.
They changed.
Yeah, because the birds all die. I think they learned that the hard way.
Yeah.
Wow, this is how people get out of the sun.
You can realize that it's new because the water is clean.
It's clean water. Yeah.